Hey Lily, this is Brandon with Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you guys 3 techniques and some tricks so that you can start outranking your top competitors online. So I appreciate you getting this over to your owners. I'm just trying to give you guys some value here at Q4. Some people take this information and run with it and try to do it themselves, and other people give me a call back and see what I can do to help. Whatever you guys decide to do with this is totally okay with me. I'm just trying to add some value and help some small businesses here in town. Okay, so that's why I'm filming this for you guys, just looking for some feedback. So I'm going to show you 3 things today. I'm going to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. So first, let's talk about content. The first thing Google cares about is content. So the average site on the homepage has 1,500 words on it. You guys have more than that, so you are off to a great start. You guys have 1,720 words on your homepage, so that's great. Now, what's more important than the number of words is the content, right? What's actually in the content. So we want to place what we call buyer intent keywords all throughout your website. So I've pulled up your website right here, and here are the analytics behind it. So you guys have 845 keywords. So again, these are keywords that have buyer intent. They should be buyer intent keywords. So that's anything that people might type into Google when they're searching for your product or service. Okay. So you guys have 845 keywords. Your top competitor here, when we type in HVAC services in Denver, is Service Experts, and they have 1,600 keywords. So their 1,600 keywords are helping them get this much traffic, about 895 people per month. You guys have 845 keywords, and those keywords are helping you get about 68 people to your site per month. Okay, so what I do is go to your top competitors' keywords, figure out which ones they are ranking for. So some of these don't have buyer intent, right? Heating and cooling services, those don't have buyer intent because that could be anywhere in the nation. Service Expert, this could be anywhere in the nation. So we want to choose ones that have buyer intent. Denver HVAC repair. So it gets 150 search volume per month, and they are ranked number 4 currently. So this is the kind of stuff we want to look at. We want to choose all the keywords that have buyer intent that they are ranking for, and then we want to use them in your site, and also you want to choose even more. So you want to take all the keywords they're ranking for that are buyer intent keywords and add even more in other cities with other services that you offer. So that's the first thing. Another thing too that you guys can do is you can save all of your photos as keywords. This is a trick some people don't know. So instead of it saying image 0000, you can save it as a keyword. You can save all of these as different keywords, and it's a great idea to do that as well. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to talk to you about. Second thing is backlinks. So you guys have 319 backlinks coming from 86 website domains. Your top competitor has 1,400 backlinks coming from 67 domains. Okay, so they have more backlinks and more keywords, and those are helping them get this much traffic per month. So what a backlink is it's anywhere so a backlink is when another website links to yours and it drives traffic to your site. So Google is like a giant popularity contest, and they want to see a ton of trustworthy, relevant websites linking back to you. Okay, so not all backlinks are created equal though. Just because they have 1,400 doesn't mean that there's power behind them. So they want to be relevant. So that means they want to come from other plumbers, HVAC companies, maybe restoration companies, insurance companies, things that are actually relevant to you, and they need to be trustworthy. So if these 1,400 backlinks are working for them, you just need to go through, figure out which ones are trustworthy and relevant, and add yourself to all the same ones. So for example, you can add yourself and get listed and link yourself to this website. That's considered a backlink, okay? So without getting too in depth and technical with that, that's the next thing you guys should focus on, is getting more backlinks. And then the third thing is how you can get into this map pack. So this comes down to just simply citations. So you want to get as many citations as possible. So a citation is anywhere you can list your business name, phone number, and address. And that's called a citation. So if these guys have 200 citations, you guys should get at least 250 or 300 so that you can outrank them there. And then there's some other things too that you can do to optimize your Google business profile. But I mean, I could talk about this for hours. But that's all I wanted to really share with you guys today. If you guys have questions or feedback, I would love to hear it. I really appreciate you passing this on, Lily. And if you want to take this and run with it, that's totally okay too. I just hope that I added some value to you guys. Thanks so much, and I hope to hear from you. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.